Keyboard warriors, that's like the best expression for it's keyboard warriors. Yeah, I need that emote back. We need a new idea for keyboard warrior emote. This is real opponents. We're on an open lobby server. What is going on right now? Where did that guy go? Hey, come back! Hey! I'm so confused. I have no clue what the hell's going on right now. Line up single file. Single file? That's interesting. Who made the server? Oh, we're doing a full pace lap. Oh, full pace lap. Hog. These actually oh, that guy's backwards. These things do exist. Teleported in 25 seconds. What? I'm so lost right now. Anyways, we'll just keep it in the green. I think that's the key. Keep it in the green. Is this what pros do? Yeah, I still don't get the whoever came up with these pace laps in ACC. I don't get it. I think it's they're trying too hard, in my opinion. But they seem to filter out, you know, idiots. Some guys don't know what the hell they need to do anyways when they come on open lobby, so I kind of understand why they have this. It's a noob-friendly pace lap. Yeah, that's true. At least it's ghosting, so you don't crash into people, but it kind of kills the immersion, in my opinion. Maybe I'm biased because I'm a streamer. I want to see people wreck on pace laps. It's good content. All right. Oh my god, go free, please. Don't get anyone triggered. I think we had enough. Oh god. I think that McLaren guy still thinks that we're not ghost cars. Wait, am I supposed to pass this guy? I'm so fucking lost right now. Oh my god, I have no idea where I'm supposed to be. I think right here. Bye, have a nice day, love you. I'm so confused. Okay, I think I'm in the right spot, guys. I think I'm in the right spot. Or should I be in front of this Maca? I think I'm gonna have to be in front of it. Yeah, good. Yeah, we're in the right spot now. Oh, look at all the drive-thrus. Oh man, we're going 5 wide. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Whee! We got a spinner. How many spins did that guy do? Guys doing pirouettes. Let's just go through here. Hey, look, there's a shortcut. It's fine. No slowdowns. This is ACC. Oh wait, there's more. Physics. The guy's doing pirouettes in turn 1. .360 no scope.
There's a slow car up ahead. Yellow flag ahead, China in front. Car on the right. Clear on the right.
I don't trust this guy. Oh my god, that's sand.
Car on the right.
What the hell?
Clear on the right.
Oh my god, that's sand, dude. Holy fuck. I just saw this guy flying in my mirror, like, holy shit. Go, bro.
Car on the right.
Open lobby, ladies and gentlemen. This is what happens in open lobbies. Oh man, we're gonna have to make a YouTube video about this stuff. It's good content.
Car on the right.
New uninstall video of ACC coming up.
Clear on the right. Car on the right. Clear on the right. Well done, mate. Rest of you guys.
Anyways, I think we survived lap 1. It's good. We're top 10 from what, like 44. Oh my god, dude, you're braking too early. Oh no. Fuck.
We have a stop and go penalty.
Stop and go. Damn it. Get fucker. Dang it. I thought I can cut it again. Rip my safety rating. Typical iRacer. Cutting corners. That guy is like braking at 200 brake point. I thought you can cut corners here all the time. What is this? The iRacing? I cut it too quick. Yeah, it looks like it. Car number 7. Am I car number 7? Oh. No, I'm car 963. Solid number. Alright, we gotta stop and go. Yeah, no, I realized that, yeah. I need to, like I need to play it more to figure out all these penalties and stuff in ACC. I just don't play it often enough to remember all this shit. Man, that start. Holy fuck. Oh look, my pit stall is right at the beginning. Odd. Hey, did you see, guys, that iRacing has implemented drive-throughs? No more stop and go penalties.
Come on, let's go.
So like when you do speeding in the pits, you actually can just do a drive-through. There's no more 40-second stop and go and shit like that. Thank God, because those are so fucking stupid. I can't stand those like 40-second stop and go. Unless you stack penalties, okay. I think that's a great addition for the whole penalty thing. I'm so glad they actually implemented that, because iRacing never had drive-through penalties before. This is like brand new for iRacing. That should definitely make a lot of people happy. Reading chat again. 17x is drive-through now? Okay. No, that makes sense, man. It totally, I think it's gonna improve the whole, you know, overall enjoyment of getting into trouble, you know, for, you know, speeding in the pits. I think it was way too harsh in the past.
There's a slow car up ahead.
Because it ruins the fun when you get like a speeding in the pits and you have to like 40-second penalty. That's so stupid. Like, it makes no sense. That was way too harsh. It's a good addition for sure.
Car on the right.
Why is this guy so
Clear on the
slow?
right.
See how many spots we can get back. You know, but they had a 10-second stop and go penalty for speeding in the pits, and then they changed it to 40 seconds on certain. I think it's at that when you speed at the beginning before you stop the car. Wait, I'm disqualified? Oh, the guy in front of me got disqualified. I was like, what the hell? The guy in front of me got disqualified. RIP. I thought I disappeared from the server. You can go in through the pits in 6th? I think so. You mean in iRacing? I've seen a lot of pros use a 6th gear, like Max Benecke uses 6th gear when he goes to the pits without pit limiter. Because when you put it in the 6th gear, your car is not just gonna take off. I think that's super smart idea to do it. I need to practice that more. Not using the pit limiter. You can definitely save some time. I have to pit now? Oh, I need a... oh, fuck. Requires another pit. How much time we have left?
Yellow flag, yellow flag.
I don't have to pit. I can wait another lap, I think. Right? I can wait another lap. There's 6 minutes of... yeah, 6 minutes of pits are open. I pit like that every race. Yeah, I need to practice that. I'm not using a pit limiter. I think it's Dan has been doing it for so long now. I just don't know why I never forced myself to do it. Just like put it in the 6th gear, and then
Wait on me.
yeah.
So fast to slow. Yellow flag is Assetto.
Yeah, the aggressive setup works here for sure. It's a lot easier to drive on this track. Okay, we'll pit next time. We still got 5 minutes. Pit window.
Go halfway through, not over yet.
P7? I still haven't pitted though. ACC doesn't like sausage curbs. If you're new to ACC, do not ride over sausage curbs. FYI. It's gonna be super uncomfortable. It's not like iRacing. It sounds like you hit like a landmine. Like the red ones. The little ones are fine, it's the big ones. Did you do a race in rain yet? I've done it in the past, not today though. I've done few rain races. Just not today. Every time I join Dan's server, it's always raining. Dan likes rain. Wait, why is this guy in my pit stop? Get out of the way. Yeah, it definitely puts a little bit more dynamic to the race with a little bit of rain, but I don't know. I'm just glad I still haven't been on Dan's server when it wasn't raining. You just suck at it. Yeah, probably. The great thing about rain in this game is it doesn't ruin your frames. It doesn't seem to bother the frames, like it doesn't get super choppy if it's raining, which is great.
Mandatory stop is not clear. Come on, go, go, go.
I personally don't like the idea of rain in iRacing, but whatever. If it comes, it comes. I don't think it's a good idea. What's a good GPU for VR? Like Titan? Oh boy. Joe! Thanks to the host, man. How's iRacing? Are you sick of week 13 yet? Thank you, Joe. Welcome, people. We're doing something else today, clearly. Taking a little break from iRacing. Doing some ACC. We're in a 488 Ferrari at Monza. Thanks for the follow. You winning? No. I started like 40th in this race. And then there was a massive pile-up in turn 1. This is just open lobby. This is not a competitive server. So there was a lot of crashes at the start, but we managed to survive somehow. And now we're just trying to catch up. Yeah, I think we should be... I don't know, we'll see after the pits, because I just bid it. We'll see where we end up now. I like you. The whole field is like mixed up right now. Because this race requires a pit stop, so... Thanks for the follow. Somebody brought up a good point. Like, if iRacing ever brings rain to official races, I think they should give you the asterisks for that race session, letting you know that there might be some rain in the race session, so you can actually have that option to not actually do the race. I think that would be a great idea. Give people an option not to do a rain race. The only problem I see with that, and you're not gonna see anybody doing the race. Those races are gonna be like dead 1.3 SOFs. Everyone's gonna like avoid rain then. Exactly. No, but I mean, I don't know. I just don't like the idea. I mean, I know it can look pretty with the wet roads and stuff, but I don't know, man. Anyways. Hey, this is the same McLaren that I raced earlier, I think. Fnatic podium. Yours for 1,000 euros. Oh god. Don't like the race in rain. Yes.
This is me.
Yeah, that's true. That's a good point, 777.
Slow car ahead.
If they added it in endurance racing, that would be cool. They shouldn't have it for sprint races. Because I think, like, if they have rain, don't put it on race starts. Don't ever make rain on race starts. If they put it like middle of the race, then it's not gonna be as bad. Because the cars are not gonna be like bunched up and stuff. Just to avoid all the mayhem on the race starts, I think. Yes, I have. Well, I did. Well, I should probably say that differently. I installed it. I installed the update of the sim experience, but I haven't tried the any cloud or. I need to read about it first. What the whole cloud is like? Is it like sharing the presets or something like that? I have to check it out. I just installed the update last night. Okay, babies. I'd start from pits if it's raining. Yeah, that's true, DuckTales. I think if they avoided rain on the race starts, it wouldn't be so bad. I wouldn't have as big of a problem with it. Yeah, he wrecked with the lap car. Maybe we can get top 5. What do you guys think? Top 5 might be possible. You definitely notice a difference when you join a server with a high safety rating requirement. Like I did 2 races just previously with a higher safety rating requirement. All the guys are much safer drivers. Like it's noticeable instantly. So if you ever try ACC, try to stick with the high safety rating requirement servers. You can have actually some good races with people. What do you know about rain starts? Yes. This one, I think, I don't think this one even had a safety requirement. This server. The problem is the high safety rating servers have troubles filling up, which kind of makes sense. Or do a CP race, yeah. It's just CP race is like, for me, it's never at the right time. So the next one is in like 2.5 hours, I think. It's never when I want it to be, unfortunately. Oh, we didn't get top 5. Boo. They need to get rid of fireworks in the middle of the day, man. Come on. Jesus Christ, fireworks in the middle of the day. There's only 3 CP races per day. I don't know how many there is. I think there is a... Hey, Diego. I think there is a schedule somewhere. You can look it up on forums, I think. If you go to their website, there is a... Should we stay here and just do this? How long is the qualifying? We can do one more race, I think.
Nice.
This was a good meme race. Thanks for the follow. I just want to see how much qualifying there